Good morning, guys, to our YouTube channel Coding Maths. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, new topic, nap knapsack problem using branch and bound in the subject. So they will be giving a table with serial numbers, weights and values. We need to calculate value upon weight. Value upon weight is 40 upon 4 is 10, 42 upon 7 is 6, 25 upon 5 is 5, 12 upon 3 is 4. Total capacity is W is equal to 10. Formula for upper bound is V plus V means value. V plus W means total capacity. Small w means weights. V plus W minus W. V plus Vi plus 1 by Wi plus 1. Now let's draw the state space tree. At node 0, we have weight is 0, value is also 0. Now let's calculate the upper bound. So I value is also 0. See, when you calculate the node 0, weight 0, value 0 and I value 0. V plus W is to weight capacity, right? Weight capacity is 10 minus 0 into V1 by W1. V1 by W1 is value 1 upon W1, weight 1. Value 1 upon W1, which is 10. 10 times of 10 is 100. Node 0 upper bound value is 100. We have written upper bound as 100. Now let's split it with weight. Left side, the weight carries towards left side, without weight carries towards right side. So left side contains weight. Now weight 1 is 4. Weight 1 is 4. Value 1 is 40. Now let's calculate upper bound value. Upper bound value for node 1 is value plus weight minus weight into second value by second weight. 40 plus 6 into second value by second weight, which is 6. We'll get like 6. 40 plus 36 is 76. Let's put the value over here. Upper bound value is 76. Now we are taking without weight, right? Now without weight is the weight is like 0 and the value is like 0, but the I value is 1. Here the I plus 1 always increases. If you are on the first level, you will get 0. Second level, you will get I is equal to 1. Third level, I is equal to 2. So I value is 1. So we will get a different value. Weight is equal to 0. Value is equal to 0. I value is 1. Upper bound value is equal to value plus W minus W into V2 by W2. 10 into value 2 by W2. 42 upon 7, which is 6. You get like 6. 10 6 are 60. Node 2 value is 60. But we'll be comparing these two, node 2 and node 1 and node 2. We can find that we'll be finding that node 1 has the higher upper bound value. So we'll be splitting this node 2 into node 3 and node 4. This is node 4. Now let's calculate the weight. We need to add the weight of the previous one. The previous one has 4. Let's now we will be taking like weight 2. Second weight is like 7. So total weight becomes 11. But the total capacity of the weight is like 10 only, right? So this is not possible. We can stop over here. This is not possible because the weight is like 11. Right side, we'll be not adding weights, right? As it is, we are going to write the same weights and values. Now we need to calculate the upper bound value. Upper bound value for node 4. Node 4 is equal to, what is the value? Weight is like 4, value is like 40, I is like 2. Let's calculate upper bound value. V plus W minus W into Vi plus 1 upon Wi plus 1. V is like 40 plus 10 minus Z, 10 minus weight is like 4, right? V3 upon W3. What is the value of value 3 upon w3 is 5. 40 plus 6 times of 5, you get like 40 plus 30, which is 70. 70 is the upper bound value for this. Now we need to split this into 2 again. Now here we need to add the weight, third weight of the problem. Here without weight, we need to not add anything without weight. The same weight goes over here, value is equal to 40, but not in this case. Weight, third weight is like 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Value is like 25. 25 in the third one, right? Weight 3 and value 3 is like 25 plus 40, sorry, 40 plus 25 is like 65, I guess 65. But over here we are not going to add anything. Now let's calculate node 5 value. Now let's check node 5. Weight is equal to value is equal to I is equal to, now I is equal to 3, right? I is equal to 3. Value is like 65. Weight is like 9. Now let's calculate the value. V plus 10 minus 9 is 1 times of V4 upon W4. Now we are going to get like V4 upon W4 is 4. 65 plus 4 is like 69. Now the upper bound value is like 69. Now we are going to calculate for node 6. Node 6. Weight is like 4, value is like 9, sorry, value is like 40, and I value is like 3. 40 plus 10 minus 4 is like 6 times of V4 upon W4. V4 upon W4 is 4, 6 4s are 24, 60, 24 plus 40 is like 64. Upper bound value is like 64. Now let's compare these two. The upper bound value for this is more than this, so we are going to split this again. This is going to become node 6. This is going to become node 7. Now the weight has to add it, W4, fourth weight. 9 plus 3 is like 12. See, we are exceeding the weight again. We have the total capacity is like 10 only, but we are adding 2 more, so this is not possible. Rest of doing this, not possible. Now weight for this doesn't change, 9, and V is equal to 65. And let's calculate the upper bound value for this, but here the I value is like 4 for node 7, right? Node 7, oh sorry, here already we have finished node 6, so this is node 7 and this is node 8. So we are calculating for node 8 because node 7 is not possible. So W weight is equal to 9 and V is equal to 65 and I is equal to 4 this time. Fine. Now V is equal to 65 plus 10 minus 9 is like 1. Now V5 upon W5. do we have any v5 fifth value and fifth weight? No, right? So take 0 instead of those. Equal to 65 plus 1 time of 0. You get like 65 is the answer. Upper bound value is like 65, and this is the answer, final answer. As you'll be getting the same value towards right side again and again, so we need to stop. Now if you check, what are the nodes which are undergoing through weights? See, if you take node 0, it goes. If you take node 1, node 1 takes, node 2, sorry, I1 takes, I2 doesn't takes, I3 takes, and I4 doesn't takes. I1 takes, no, I1 takes, I2 doesn't takes, I3 takes, I4 doesn't takes. One, 2, 3, and 4. I1 takes, I2 doesn't takes, I3 takes, I4 doesn't takes. That means 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 40 plus 25 is 65. 4 plus 5 is like 9. So we got the same weights and the values, right? Weight is equal to 9 and V is equal to 65. Upper bound is like 65. This is the answer. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you like the video. Value is like